Guys, shopping and using coupons can be kind of tedious. I mean, I've even used pencil and paper trying to write and find a good coupon from while I'm shopping online, and it's a nightmare. I get codes mixed up. I get a lot of things, just problematic, right? Well, I have a solution, and I found it, which is saving me a lots of time and lots of money, and I'm going to give it to you today. We're talking about Coupert. So it's a free extension that's designed to help you save money while you are shopping online, right? So you can download it or you can put the Chrome extension on it and it operates on Chrome, Edge, Opera for you Opera users, Firefox, and Safari. And it works on, well, of course, desktop. So they have the Coupert desktop as well, and even Safari on your mobile phone. So, yes, you heard me right. It does have a mobile app for you. So even if you shop online on your phone, they have an app for that. It's just going to save you time. So now it's a free extension, right? Like I said, they have around 6 million weekly users online. Can you imagine 6 million users, right? So, and that with that 6 million users, there's 200,000 merchants globally. So they have three core services for Coupert, and that's the automatic coupon testing, so they're going to check it out, the cashback rewards, right, and price comparison services. So that's really good for like Amazon and stuff. And don't worry, I'm going to go over it with you as well, and I'm going to show you actually how to use it, how to download it, right? Pretty simple. So pretty much just you go to the store, the checkout page, and you'll test the savings to actually make sure that the display amount is actually saved, right? So let's go ahead and get started. So I've deleted everything so let's walk our way through it. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go through the extension, right? So I like downloading extensions first, so I'm going to add it to my Chrome, add extension, and give it just a sec, and then we'll start going from here, right? So now it's added, and the installation is done. So that's all you have to do. No extra steps, right? So it will automatically appear in the checkout and other key moments the way we always have it. So that's all you need to do. But let's go to sign up, right? So now we want to sign up, and I'm going to do it with my Google account just because Google makes it so much easier for everything, right? So sign in with Google. I'm going to use my name and and here we go. Like that. We're done, right? So already ready to go, right? So okay, what to start on with next, right? So talking about the cashback reward key points, right? We can do that like eBay, right? You can see the cashback 0.7% to 1.1 and here, right? And they have three available coupons, right? They even have like Sephora and some more points as well. Yeah, here we go. Like, if you're looking for a new watch, here we go. Three codes available. Save 10 parts, right? 10% off with the code, and then we would just copy that. More codes will be tried at checkout, right? So if you're looking for a watch or something like that, some new shoes kind of coming in, let's check this out, right? Um, a Roomba, right? A UFI RoboVac, right? And just wanting to sign in. You can kind of see it. We can add it here, make it offer for it, right? Or buy it now. And they have the 68% off as well. So, um, kind of an idea, but just to kind of go furthermore, let's go to something like Walmart. So Walmart's more ideal for this to kind of show you, and we're just gonna give it a second and see what pops up for Walmart, right? And you can do this as you're scrolling. As you've seen, that's what I wanted to show you guys, how it pops up on the side of the screen and says, oh, hey, we have a coupon for you, right? Ha ha ha. Appliances. Let's take a look at something interesting, right? Mm, let's say we want to go traveling. And it's searching. Here we go. Now here's low price at 5 stores, right? And now when we click on that, it's going to give us that save 25.51. So you can kind of see it's already popped up, right? And here we are at Coupert. It's given us the top pick options, right? So we save 25 bucks on that. Here we save like $1. Here's comparing a price from other options. So the product seller on eBay with Coupert it's 93.21, right? So the savings around 79% cashback, 79 cents cashback. So the cashback can be gotten back from a gift card, PayPal, or a bank card as well. So you can actually have that sent to you in that way. The price comparison that we were talking about, how it's comparing with the prices, right? Right here. Now, the cool thing with that is that it supports on Amazon, Walmart, like you see here, eBay, Nike, and other points, right? So even if you are like a drop shipper or something like that, this is going to help you kind of compare and get something for your store, your online store, by shopping in that way. So you can do it that, and the feature can actually be alongside automatic coupon testing and cashback. So that way you can even save more money. So between comparing it, getting the cash back as well. All right, now let's do the automatic coupon testing. So what this is pretty much going to do is that when you have an item inside of your cart, whatever you're doing, or whichever site that you're on, like Walgreens, Walmart, AliExpress, those, right, eBay even, it's going to check to see if you have any, well, coupons, right? So I'm going to use AliExpress for this one. Here's some pretty cool things. I like a lot of army stuff and Ninja Turtles. Um, drones are really popular. Let's go here, right? So we're gonna go to the drones, and yeah, these are a big thing, especially for drop shipping. Great idea, right? So let's just say I want to add it to the cart, and it's added to my cart. It says, but just being slow loading. Okay, yeah, cool. All right, so she's loaded to my cart, and now we have what Coupert right here. So we can click on this, and it's going to do the, see, here it is. Here is the automatic coupon testing. So the AliExpress US, now 67.59. So there's many variations right here, and we have some Coupon rewards, right? 15 days average confirmation time. We get a cash back, and that's a really good thing because I'm about to show you exactly what that is. But we have the available coupons available here, site-wide orders over $19, right? And we can just copy those and give those codes into when we're actually purchasing, right? So very, 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 very easy, very, very fast. You don't have to like do all of this work. So Coupert actually saves you that time there. So that's how that works. Now let's talk about that cash back that we just got that offer, right? So over 70,000 different stores can give you cash back, right? So it takes around 15 days to get your cash back. You get cash back at stores Walmart, eBay, Temu if you're one of those Temu shoppers, Best Buy, Sephora, Target even. A lot of my family loves shopping at Target, so this is really good for them. And you can get that cash back sent through like a gift card. You can have it done through PayPal, or you can have it sent to your bank card as well. But either way, you're saving a lot of cash with these selected stores. And I want to go to Amazon, for example. And so you can just go right here to Amazon, and we'll type in 0 coupons available for it right here. But you can kind of like see what it looks like. So search stores. I'm going to click on website. So you don't have to like just go there. So we can just go straight to the Amazon store. So, all right. So we're letting that one load up. But what we'll take a look at here is the Clara Smart Filter cartridge. These are pretty expensive. Let's take a look and see what Coupert is doing for us here. All right, there's our Mario. Oh, here we go. It's working. So it is searching low price at 20 plus stores, right? So we'll click on that, and it's going to come back and show us some different prices. So the price comparisons, right? Here we go. Coffee Friend in Germany, right? With Coupert, 36 pounds and 3 cents. So we save around £2 cash back, and there's 27 coupons, right? So 27 coupons for that. And then it'll take it it's going back to here, and we could use that for us. And we want to do this for you guys, and it's available. Very good. and it takes us straight there, and we go and buy it directly and save us some cash, right? And that's how it works. And you can just download it for your mobile app. So if you're just kind of like walking around, you're shopping with your mom, she's out shopping somewhere, or your girlfriend, and you're just kind of like, well, let's see if I can find a better price. You can do it with the mobile app as well, and it's available for Apple. It's available for Android as well. So you can go and save some money. So you can even click on this link in the description below and click on the um, Chrome extension if you want to add it to Chrome, and go ahead and start saving some cash.